Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Today we're going to guide you how to install and download eBay on your Android phone. eBay is one of the world's largest online marketplace. It was founded in 1995, making it one of the oldest shopping apps out there. Unlike Amazon or Shein, where you mostly buy new products from companies, eBay is famous for two things: auctions and used goods. You can bid on items, buy them instantly, or sell your own stuff. It is like a giant digital garage sales mixed with traditional store. eBay sold about 290 billion worth of goods in the US last year, making it the second largest shopping site in America after Amazon. You can use eBay in two ways. First, as a buyer looking for deals, you can bid on items in auctions, hoping to win them cheap, or you can just click buy it now and purchase instantly like any other shopping app. Second, you can sell your own stuff: old phones, clothes you don't wear, collectibles, anything. It is a great way to make extra money from things just sitting in your closet. So to install this app, go to Play Store, then search eBay, E-B-A-Y. Select on it. Select install. eBay online shopping, 4 million reviews. So select install. So the app is getting ready, and also you need to make sure you have enough space, and it can say 53.22 MB is what is required. So you need to make sure, go to your phone storage to make sure you have enough storage capacity to install this app. So the app is installing. Things you need to know is also, since you are often buying from regular people, not big customer, qualities can vary. Always check the seller's rating and read reviews before buying. Also, auction can be stressful. If you really want an item, someone might outbid you at the last seconds. And like any marketplace, there are occasional scammers, so stick to sellers with high feedback stores. So the app is getting ready. Select open. So the app is installed. Select open. Here we go. Exclusive saving. Get app only coupon or deals, notification and features. Select sign in, create account, or continue with Google or Facebook. To sign in, for you to bid or anything, you need to sign in and create account. Let's say if you want to search data settings, I normally decline data setting information and management, so it's not compulsory, so I'm going to decline all. From this, it will show you register, sign in, so you can register as a seller or as a customer as well. eBay Live, you can also do live shopping on eBay as well. Selling, collection, save. Select selling. For example, if you want to sell, selling is free. Sell for free. Simple delivery. Get prepared label or QR code automatically with loss or demand item fully covered. Easy and secure payments. Ready, set and sell. List your item. Reach millions of trusted buyers on eBay. So this is if you want to sell products, sell for free. Then if you go back to the home page, if you are new, you select register and put your details. If you already have an account, then you select sign in. If you want to search for particular product, you can also scroll up or search on eBay. You can also use camera to scan the picture of the product. So let's say if you want to search for laptop, so type laptop, then you select laptop computer. Then it will show you laptops available. Company that are doing clearance. For example, Currys is a popular store in UK that sell tech products. Currys clearance, 740k items sold. So from this Currys, you can also scroll down to select particular product you want, and also you can also filter. You have HP, You have Lenovo, so it depends on particular laptop and also the size. So you can select HP and also select the storage and the capacity or Windows 11. Let's say if you select this product, then you scroll down, it give you option for you to buy it now or add to cart or add to watch list. And it will also show you the price and also show you the individual seller. So it will show you the products. If we go back, it will have home, my eBay. If you select my eBay, then it give you option for this is where you, once you sign in, it will show you your details. You will have watch list, save item, buy again, or purchase history, or bid and offer, recent view, and preference. This is from my eBay. Can select search, inbox, or selling for you to sell products. If you go back, go to search, clear recent search, then it will remove the laptop recent search. So the laptop is removed. If you want to search for another product, then you select, let's say if we want to search for soundbar with subwoofer, select a soundbar with subwoofer, then you wait, it will show you soundbars available and with subwoofer. Popular filters, so we show you Bluetooth wired or wireless, Sony's, Boss, Panasonic, Bluetooth. So you can scroll to select specific one, or you scroll down to select particular one. It will show you the image as well. So let's say if you want to buy this Samsung HWT 420 soundbar with subwoofer complete set, the price is £63. You select on it. Can scroll down to select on the image as well. So this product got 11 images. Can scroll down to select on the image. Then you scroll down, it will show you the seller. This is the price. You select buy now, and also it will show you the condition. From the condition, you will know whether the product is new or used one. So you can see this one is used. You can buy it now. Add to cart. If you want to buy it now, then you select buy it now. If you want to add to cart, then you select add to cart. Then they give you option for you to, first of all, you need to sign in so that it will be registered on your account. So you need to use email address or username, or sign in with Google, or sign in with Facebook, or create an account. If you select create an account, they give you option for you to put your email address, your first name, last name to continue. If you already have an account, then you select sign in. You can also create business account as well. So these are the things I thought to share with you. Any particular product you are looking for, you can also search the price or sort by or filter. Can sort by lowest price, highest price, newly listed, ending, soonest, distance, nearest, first. Then you go back. You can also select filter. So the filter will show you the conditions, price, categories. So you can select condition. Then you select new or open, never used, satisfy, refurbished. So you can select any of these conditions. Let's say new one. Then it will start to search. It will show you, showing us 1,300 plus result. Then select result. Then it will show you the products as well. So you can select filter, then select condition, the price, categories, and also brand. When you select brand, it will give you option for the brands of various products or various brand available. You can see LG. Select LG, for example, then view result. So now it's showing us LG products. So you can select particular brand you want. So this is how to install and download eBay on your Android. If you want to remove the app on your phone, then you go to your phone screen, select on the app, then give you option for you to remove it or uninstall. Select uninstall. It will ask you, eBay, do you want to uninstall this app? Then you select OK. So the app is uninstalled. I'm an eBay ambassador. So I joined eBay affiliate partner. So I list products on eBay. Some of the products I use and products that I recommend as well are on my eBay storefront. So I'm going to put this on the video description. So this is how to install and download eBay on your Android phone. Thank you very much indeed.